boys and girls. Welcome to your handwriting lesson for the day. I am Miss Jacob, and today we are practicing writing the letter X. Can you take your hands and make a letter X with your hands and your arms? X, X, X-ray. Good job. So remember, we're going to think about the sound that our letter makes. X is really weird. It makes such a silly sound. It goes X, X. Can you try that? It's so silly. X, X. It's silly. All right, so today, to start with our capital letter X, we're going to go to the top. We're going to slant down. Then we're going to go back up to the top and slant down in the opposite direction. Just like this. So really easy if you think about doing it with your arms like this. So go to the top, slant down, back up to the top and slant down. To the top, slant down, back up to the top and slant down. Can you try that, boys and girls? I'm going to practice a couple more times and you can too. Start at the top, slant down, back up to the top, slant down. Slant down, slant down. All right. Now we're going to practice making our lowercase x. And to make the lowercase x, I'm going to go to the midline and I'm going to do the exact same thing. It's super easy. So I'm going to slant down, back up, slant down. It's just smaller. Slant down, back up, slant down. So the lowercase x is smaller than the uppercase x. Remember, there's always uppercase letters and lowercase letters. At the top, go to the top, slant down, back up, slant down. And actually, I'm not at the very top, as you all notice. I'm actually at that midline. Go to that midline, slant down, back up, slant down. So I am aware that some of you may not have the handwriting paper that looks like this. You may just have the paper with the lines in the composition notebook, and if that's the case, that's okay. You just make it smaller. Like here, I would do like this, a capital X, a smaller X. Slant down, slant down. It would look like that. So you have your capital letter and your lowercase letter. Your capital letter and lowercase letter, okay? So I'm going to do a few more practices here. I'm going to just keep thinking in my head about the letter X, X, X-ray, and I'm going to make my smaller X. I'm going to slant down, back up to the top, slant down again, slant down, back up to the top, slant down again. Okay. So something else that I would like for you all to do is practice writing both the capital and the lowercase at the same time, okay? So we can do that down here. This time I'm going to do it just like I did here with no dotted line. So I'm just going to start at the top, slant down, back up to the top, slant down, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing and I'm just going to make that X smaller. Start at the top, slant down, back up to the top, slant down. And for my lowercase x, I'm going to slant down like that. My lowercase x is smaller. I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to come to the top, slant down, back up to the top, slant down. And my lowercase x is going to be smaller. And maybe I could do it one more time. Let's do it one more time. Start at the top, slant down, back up to the top, slant down, and my lowercase x is going to be the same, just smaller. Okay, boys and girls, so what you can do, like I've said before, is you can take different colors and just kind of go over it where you rainbow. You can rainbow and practice. You can use markers, crayons, colored pencils. It doesn't matter what you use. And you're just practicing, and you can use different colors to practice, okay? That's like a fun way to practice, and it gives you extra practice, and it's pretty. So that's always fun. Okay, so we have practiced writing the letter X, and yesterday we practiced writing the letter V. So V and X. And I hope you all continue practicing, and we will see you after Thanksgiving break. Have a wonderful break, and we will see you next week. Bye.